Which option below defines nonlinear association? Now let's go through the options and find out what each of these are. Data that doesn't create a line when plotted. That's data like this, for example. And we call that nonlinear association because it does not form a line, nonlinear. So the correct answer here is A. But let's go through all the other options and find out what they are as well. B. As the values of one variable increase or decrease, so do those of the other variable. That's graphs like this. We call that a positive association. C is data that creates a line when plotted. It could be any line. We call that a linear association. I'm going to mark these off here just so we separate them. B there, C here. Now D. As the values of one variable increase, the values of the other variable decrease. That would look like this, and we call that a negative association. E is places where a set of points are close together in a group. So maybe you have a scatter plot with some points over here, and then a big group of them all combined together. We call that a cluster, because they're all clustered together. And F, points that are markedly different from the other values. So maybe you have a pretty straight line or a linear association, and then you have one point way over here. We would call that point an outlier because it lies outside of the majority of the data set. So those are the different definitions that we're working with here. In this case, nonlinear association would be A.